Hello and welcome to Architect's Guide to Salesforce Agentforce 360. In today's session, we are diving into another exciting hands-on use case, updating customers' shipping address using a flow-based action in Agentforce. In this scenario, our goal is to enable the agent to easily update customers' shipping information when they provide their shipping street, city, and state details during a conversation. To accomplish this, we will go through 4 simple steps. Firstly, we will create a new flow to handle and process the shipping address update. Secondly, we will create a custom topic to define the context, actions, and instructions the agent should follow when a customer requests for a shipping address change. Thirdly, we will create a custom flow-based topic action to link the flow we just built and allow the agent to update the customer's order with the new address. And lastly, we will assign the appropriate permissions to the Agentforce user, ensuring the agent has secure access to modify your order details. By end of this session, you will understand exactly how to configure each of these steps in Salesforce, empowering your Agentforce agent to manage shipping address change seamlessly. All right, let's begin by creating a new flow to handle and process the shipping address updates. On screen, you see the existing cancel order flow. Let's save it as a new flow and name it as agent update order shipping address. In this newly created flow, let's add an element update records to modify the order object's shipping address. In this element configuration, let's set the object as order and the filter criteria, let's filter by order number. And the fields to be updated, let's add the shipping city, the shipping state province, and the shipping state. Once you have configured these updates, let's activate the flow to make it ready for use. All right, next we will expand our Marhaba AI agent with a new topic. Let's create a topic called update shipping address. So let's walk through the configuration first. Under classification description, we have included allow customers to update the shipping address for an existing order by providing order number and the new shipping details. Under scope, we have mentioned the job is to assist customers in updating the shipping address for an existing order by collecting the order number and the new shipping details. And we have also included multiple instructions. Some of the instructions that we have mentioned here are when shipping address change are requested, ask the customer for the new shipping address. Secondly, requesting the new shipping details, such as asking for shipping street, city, and state. Thirdly, third instruction is to confirm the provided shipping address details with the customer before proceeding and saving it under order details. So these are some of the instructions that we have provided here. And this setup gives our agent clear context and well-defined scope for handling and updating the address details. As next step, we'll create a custom topic action. So let's go back to the topic. Under topic actions, let's create a new topic action. So let's click on new, create a new action. Here we will use our existing flow. So the action type would be flow and the action would be agent update order shipping address. So let's look at the existing configuration. Here, once you define the flow, this connects the agent action to the flow that we have already created to allow the customer's shipping address updates on the order record. As mentioned, let's look at the action configuration. Here, the instruction is allowing the customers to update the new shipping details. And we have also enabled require user confirmation because we are asking to update the shipping details on order. And let's review the input parameters and also the outputs. Firstly, we have an input parameter called order number, which stores the order number provided by the customer. Secondly, we will be requesting these 3 attributes, which are the shipping street, shipping city, and shipping state for updating the shipping details on the order. And in terms of output, we have the output message as a text response to be shown in the conversation. So this ensures the agent can collect and process all the required information before updating the order. Finally, let's make sure the Agentforce user has permission to update the shipping address. Let's go to our default agent user. Under permission sets, let's navigate to agent action access permission set. Under object settings, let's go to the order and do the following. Let's click on edit. Let's grant edit access, as well as under field permissions, grant edit access to the shipping address fields. This ensures that the Agentforce user can securely update the order records. And that's it. Your Agentforce agent can now update the customer's shipping address on request. Let's go back to our Marhaba AI agent, and now let's see it in action. Let's test this in the Agentforce conversation preview, and let's try asking, where is my order? So just to verify the identity of the customer, let's provide the email address. And you will notice the response here comes from our previously configured topic and action order inquiries. And if you would like to see how this setup works, I highly recommend you to watch my episode number 2. I will add the URL in the description. Now, let's move on to the new flow we just created and try asking, can you please update my new shipping address? Let's provide my new shipping details to be updated on my order. So let me add street as 55 Collins Street, city Melbourne, and state as Victoria. And if you remember the instructions, it will first request the customer to confirm before updating. So let me give my consent here. So once prompted and once you confirm the address change, you will see the order record updated successfully real time. So let me navigate to my order. Let me refresh. And in the shipping address section, you should be able to see the newly updated address. And that's how you enable flow-based custom action in Agentforce to handle shipping address updates, empowering your agents to make real-time changes directly through conversation.